Have you ever wondered what makes a good PC gamer? It's a question that often sparks heated debates and misconceptions. Some might say it's about having the most advanced hardware, while others argue it's about mastering the most challenging games. But being a good PC gamer is not just about the equipment you own or the games you play, it's about how you approach gaming as a whole. In this video, we're going to explore the 5 best and worst ways to be a PC gamer. We'll debunk some common myths and misconceptions and instead focus on the habits, attitudes, and strategies that can either make or break your gaming experience. We'll discuss everything from the importance of patience to the dangers of ignoring the story in your games. So, if you're ready to level up your gaming skills and avoid common pitfalls, let's dive into the worst ways to be a PC gamer. The first worst way to be a PC gamer is having a lack of patience. In the world of PC gaming, patience is more than just a virtue, it's a necessity. With the complexity of modern games, there are bound to be challenges, puzzles, and even glitches that require a steady hand and a calm mind to overcome. If you're quick to lose your cool, you might miss out on the thrill of cracking that tough level or mastering a new skill. Patience is also key when it comes to learning from your mistakes. Sure, it's frustrating when you miss that perfect shot or lose to a boss again, but each setback is an opportunity to improve. By being patient, you give yourself the space to analyze your gameplay, identify your weaknesses, and come back stronger. So remember, patience is a virtue in gaming. Don't let impatience rob you of the joy and satisfaction that come with overcoming obstacles and achieving your gaming goals. The second worst way is ignoring the story. Yes, you heard that right. While it might seem like the quickest way to get into the action, ignoring the story can severely limit your gaming experience. The narrative is not just fluff, it's the backbone of the game, the glue that holds everything together. It gives context to your actions, enriches the gameplay, and makes the game world come alive. Imagine playing a game without understanding why your character is doing what they're doing. It's like watching a movie with the sound off. You miss out on a big part of the experience. The story adds depth and immersion, it connects you to the characters and makes your actions feel consequential. It's the difference between playing a game and living an adventure. Therefore, don't ignore the story, embrace it. It's an integral part of the game, and appreciating it will only enhance your overall gaming experience. The third worst way is displaying poor sportsmanship. It's a bane of the gaming community that can ruin the experience for all. Imagine you're immersed in a heated match, adrenaline pumping, and then someone starts hurling insults or rage quits because things aren't going their way. Not cool, right? This poor behavior doesn't just affect the mood of the game, it can ripple through the community, prompting others to respond in kind and creating a toxic environment. Gaming, at its core, is about fun, competition, teamwork, and respect. The thrill of victory, the agony of defeat, it's all part of the game. Remember, a good sport acknowledges their mistakes, congratulates others on their victories, and doesn't let a loss sour the entire experience. It's about respect and fair play. Competitive spirit is one thing, but let's not forget the fundamental principle of gaming, enjoyment. So, be a good sport. It enhances the gaming experience for everyone. Now, let's talk about the best ways to be a PC gamer. First up is embracing challenges. It's no secret that challenges are a fundamental part of any gaming experience. They test your skills, push your limits, and sometimes they even make you want to throw your keyboard out the window. But here's the thing, challenges are an opportunity for growth. They push you to become a better player, to think outside the box, to strategize more effectively. Overcoming a tough level or defeating a formidable opponent can be incredibly satisfying. It's a testament to your skills, your persistence, and your resilience. Embracing challenges can turn your gaming experience from something passive to something active, from mere entertainment to a form of self-improvement. Remember, every challenge you face in a game is a chance to learn, to improve, and to grow. So don't shy away from challenges, embrace them. The second best way to be a PC gamer is learning from others. Now, you might be wondering, why should I learn from others when I can figure things out myself? Well, here's the thing. Other gamers can offer a wealth of knowledge and insights that you may not have considered. They can reveal strategies, shortcuts, and techniques that can significantly improve your gameplay. Moreover, gaming is not a solitary activity, it thrives on community. This is where gamers share their experiences, discuss tactics, and grow together. Whether it's through forums, social media groups, or multiplayer games, engaging with the community can expose you to a variety of perspectives and ideas. Being part of a community not only enhances your gaming skills, but also enriches your overall gaming experience. It allows you to make connections, engage in friendly competition, and find a sense of belonging. So, always be open to learning from your fellow gamers. The third best way to be a PC gamer is investing in good equipment. It's not just about having the latest or most expensive gear, but rather gear that enhances your gaming experience. Let's start with the obvious, the PC. A good PC is the foundation of your gaming setup. It should be capable of running your favorite games smoothly without lag or crashes. Next, we have the mouse and keyboard. A responsive mouse and a comfortable keyboard can significantly improve your performance in games, especially in genres like shooters or strategy games where precision is key. Then we have headphones. A good pair of headphones can provide an immersive experience, letting you hear every footstep, every bullet whizzing by, and every line of dialogue in stunning clarity. All these components work together to make your gaming experience more enjoyable and more successful. So remember, good equipment is a good investment. The fourth best way to be a PC gamer is balancing gaming with life. It's easy to get caught up in the thrill of leveling up, beating your high scores, or conquering new worlds, but remember, gaming is just one facet of your life. Dedicating time to other pursuits, whether it's work, education, or social activities, is equally important. Striking a healthy balance prevents you from becoming overly consumed by the virtual world, and it ensures that you're nurturing all aspects of your well-being. Excessive gaming can lead to burnout, affecting not just your performance in the game, but also your overall mood and energy levels. It's like eating too much of your favorite food. Eventually, you'll get tired of it. Furthermore, spending too much time in front of the screen can have physical repercussions such as eye strain or poor posture, so always remember to balance your gaming with other aspects of your life. The fifth and final best way to be a PC gamer is always learning. In the world of PC gaming, the only constant is change. Games evolve, strategies shift, and technology advances at lightning speed. To keep up, you need to be a perpetual student, always on the lookout for new information. Think about it. Every time you boot up a game, there's a chance to learn something new, to improve your skills, to become a better gamer. You could discover a new strategy that revolutionizes your gameplay, or find a hidden feature that adds a whole new layer to your gaming experience. And it's not just about in-game knowledge. Keeping an eye on industry trends and technological developments can give you the edge, whether that's understanding the impact of a game update or getting hands-on with the latest hardware. Remember, every gaming session is a lesson waiting to be learned. So always be learning, and you'll always be improving. There you have it, the 5 best and worst ways to be a PC gamer. Let's take a moment to revisit the key takeaways. On the downside, we've seen how a lack of patience, ignoring the game's narrative, and poor sportsmanship can tarnish your gaming experience. On the brighter side, we've explored the benefits of embracing challenges, learning from others, and investing in quality equipment. We've also stressed the importance of maintaining a healthy balance between gaming and real life, a factor that shouldn't be overlooked in the pursuit of virtual victories. Last but not least, we've emphasized the value of continuous learning, because in the dynamic world of PC gaming, there's always something new to discover. These guidelines aren't just about enhancing your gaming skills, they're about fostering a more enjoyable, rewarding, and sustainable gaming lifestyle. Remember, whether you're a newbie or a pro, there's always room for improvement. Happy gaming,